Responsive web design is all about creating websites that look and work great on any device, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or desktop computer. It's a must-know skill in today's digital world, so let's get started. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your name, and today, we're diving into an essential topic for front-end developers, responsive. Segment 1, the importance of responsive design. Let's kick things off by talking about why responsive design is so crucial. In this mobile-first era, a non-responsive website can lead to a high bounce rate and lost opportunities. Users expect a seamless experience, and we're here to make that happen. Segment 2, Key Concepts and Fundamentals. Next, we'll explore the key concepts and fundamentals of responsive web design. We'll discuss CSS media queries, flexible grids, and the viewport meta tag. I'll even demonstrate how to use these in real-world scenarios. Segment 3, Tools of the Trade. Every developer needs their toolbox, right? In this segment, I'll share some essential tools and resources that'll make your responsive design journey a breeze. We'll talk about popular CSS frameworks like Bootstrap and Flexbox. Segment 4, Hands-on coding. Now, it's time to get our hands dirty with some code. I'll walk you through a practical example where we'll transform a static web page into a fully responsive one. You'll see how media queries come into play, and we'll make it look awesome on various devices. Segment 5, Testing and Debugging. Responsive design doesn't end with coding. We'll cover how to test and debug your responsive layouts to ensure they work flawlessly across different devices and browsers. Segment 6, Performance Optimization. In the final segment, we'll discuss the importance of performance optimization in responsive web design. I'll share some tips and tricks to keep your site speedy and efficient. There you have it, folks. Responsive web design is a fundamental skill that every front-end developer should master. I hope you found this video helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, feel free to leave any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy coding, everyone!